Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll discuss very important feature in Microsoft Excel. There is a hidden camera in Microsoft Excel. Yes, you have heard it right. There is one hidden camera in Microsoft Excel. So let's use that hidden camera. So you can see there is one option here. So just click here and go to the more commands, and here go to the all commands and scroll down. Let's try to find camera, and you can see there is one option, camera. Yes, this is the hidden camera in the Microsoft Excel. So just click on add. It will be added to the quick access toolbar. So just click on add, and you can see this will be added to the quick access toolbar, and then click on OK. And then you can see there is one option available, that is the camera. So select this portion. Okay, and now let's click on camera. And so when I click on this camera option, it will take the screenshot of this, and here you can see the cursor, and you can just click here, tap here, and all the data will be pasted here. Now what is the advantage of that? Now let's say I change the study hours of Kajal from 9 to, let's say, 19, and then go to the sheet 1, and you can see here the study hours will also be changed. Let's try again. Now I want to change the name student from Sandy to Sandeep. Okay, and I want to change the study hours from 16 to 26. And you can see, go to the sheet 2, sheet 1, and you can see the name and the study hours have been changed. So it's very helpful tool. You can use the hidden camera that way. Thank you for watching.